Hey guys, Eric Kaiser, RE/MAX, and just want to show you and share with you something really quick. I'm at one of my clients' properties, and whether you have a property that's going through probate for the estate or if you're in conservatorship, give me a call if you need some assistance either cleaning out the property, categorizing the family heirlooms and such. Give me a call. We won't miss a thing. We'll package everything up properly. We'll make sure it's handled with care. So give me a call with any questions you have during that process. I'm a great resource for you and moving forward. Again, Eric with RE/MAX Terrasol. I'll provide a personalized, customized approach for you. If you do live out of the area of the estate property, I will definitely make sure to either ship you the contents, the heirlooms, or we'll have them for you when you come into town. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I look forward to helping you along the way. Take care.